Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. A fellow friend asked me to chart Chainlink's native token, Link. Before we dive into the details, I want to take a moment to say a warm and welcoming hello to the Link Marines. I salute you all. Now, a small disclaimer. Personally, I'm only long on Bitcoin, and for good reason. It's the apex asset. Let's face it, anyone who's held Bitcoin for over 4 years has been in profit. It's the best performing asset of the last 14 years. Let me drive the point home with some iconic Bitcoin quotes. There is no second best. It will go up forever, Laura. And everything in the world is getting divided by 21 million. And of course, the ultimate mic drop. If you don't believe me or don't get it, I don't have time to try to convince you, sorry. That said, let's give Link the spotlight it deserves. In this video, I'll introduce you to the basics of Link's tokenomics and share my approach to trading it. Chainlink has earned its status as a dino coin, coming from dinosaur, and by that, it is meant to be an old project which gone through multiple Bitcoin bull runs, 2017 and 2021. Its resilience and utility make it a fascinating project to analyze, so let's get started. What is Chainlink? Chainlink is a leading blockchain project that provides decentralized oracles connecting smart contracts to off-chain data, APIs, and external systems. Its verifiable random function, VRF, ensures fairness in applications like gaming and NFTs. While critical for DeFi and gaming, concerns remain about its reliance on Link token volatility and the centralization of oracle nodes. Chainlink Labs. Chainlink Labs is the driving force behind the Chainlink network, responsible for research, ecosystem growth, and partnerships. While the team has secured high-profile collaborations, critics highlight the centralized control over Link reserves and leadership decisions. Its funding model avoids minting inflation, but creates sell pressure through periodic token releases. Token allocation. Chainlink's token allocation reflects its dual focus on development and incentivizing ecosystem growth. However, retaining 35% of the tokens within Chainlink Labs raises concerns about centralization. Additionally, critics argue that the high allocation for ecosystem funds primarily benefits Chainlink-affiliated node operators, challenging the perception of true decentralization. Public supply versus total supply. Chainlink periodically releases tokens from its reserves, increasing the circulating supply to fund operations and incentivize participants. While this strategy supports growth, it also creates recurring sell pressure, frustrating investors. Transparency around these releases and their direct impact on ecosystem growth remains a critical point of discussion. Addressing misunderstandings. Chainlink operates within a fixed supply of 1 billion Link tokens, with no mechanism for minting additional tokens. However, the periodic release of tokens from reserves has fueled criticism due to its impact on market prices. Supporters argue this is necessary for sustainable development, but better communication and transparency could address public concerns. Chainlink's ecosystem impact. Chainlink has become a cornerstone of DeFi, insurance, gaming, and NFTs by providing secure, tamper-proof data feeds. However, its growing dominance raises systemic risks for blockchain applications, relying on a single oracle provider. Critics argue for diversification to reduce dependency on Chainlink, despite its proven reliability and widespread adoption. Alright, let's wrap up with some chart analysis for Link on the 15-minute timeframe. First, let me share some data about my Bitcoin long wave strategy. I have tested it extensively across multiple timeframes, and on the 15-minute timeframe, the results are exceptional. It has 100% profitability, a Sharpe ratio above 1, an average winning trade of 2.33% in spot trading, a largest winning trade of 8% in spot since September, and an average time in trade of 2.5 days. With those metrics, this strategy is undeniably robust. Now, while I cannot predict the future because Link does not have the same pure and certain path as Bitcoin, its quantitative appeal is undeniable. In fact, I have decided to start trading this strategy for Link on another sub-account. If you want to follow these signals, join my Discord. From now on, I will post about potential entries and exits for Link there as well. Thank you for watching, and as always, trade smart and stay curious. And see you in the next one.